And this is not something to escape from an experience we are having. Great Master used to say, his teaching, his method, the path of the masters, Sant Mat, is meant for the brave, not for the weak. You have to be a warrior. He used to use the word. You have to be a warrior to be in this path. Why did he say that? What is the need to be brave and warrior in order to meditate and find yourself? He explained that many of us cannot cope up with the pralabdha, the destiny we are born with, and we try to run away from it. We are cowards. If we cannot face what we designed as an experience of destiny, then that is not a spiritual path at all. That's escapism. People are taking drugs, people are taking alcohol, people are taking various kinds of narcotics, people are taking all these things to escape. That doesn't make it a spiritual path. People are running into the forest. That this is where we will meditate. We can't stand this world. That is not spiritual path. That's escapism. People run to ashrams and say, oh, this is great atmosphere, peace of mind here. This is where we get peace of mind. Yes, you may get peace of mind, not your true home. That's not Sant Mat. That is not the path of the masters. The path of the master says, you should be strong and be warriors and face your life where you have been placed in the middle. Cope up with all the ups and downs of destiny, and then in the middle of it, escape and go back to your home from this network into which you have come. It's not that kind of escape into some other place here. It is to get out of this experience which we generated at the right time and withdraw and go back to something that lies within us. Therefore, he emphasized the importance of being able to be strong, take the ups and downs of life as they are. The love of a master overrides our doubts. We have many doubts. Our mind is doubting all the time. Every little thing that happens, we begin to doubt. Our faith shakes on the smallest things. We say we have unshakable faith. Somebody dies in the family. Why couldn't Master save him? I mentioned the first day, somebody has a car accident. Why couldn't the Master save the car? Oh, he saved me, but that's okay. But what about the car? I got a message from somebody that he had a speeding ticket and lost faith. Couldn't he stop it? Is that called faith? Is the faith so conditional that the smallest event that is not suitable to your mind shakes it? That's not faith at all. Faith is that you are strong enough to live your life, deal with all the situations that come, high and low. They are supposed to be high and low. They are supposed to be life like that. Deal with each situation with the best of your ability, with the means given to you. Means given to you of a physical body, sense perceptions and a mind. Use these to cope up with situations. They are meant to be used. Use all this equipment given to you to cope up with the experiences that are happening outside, and then go within and find the truth. That is the spiritual path as explained by great Master Baba Sawan Singh. It is not running away from anything. It's facing the challenges of life. We have to face them. And if our faith is shaking on little things, we have some way to go still. Then we haven't yet reached the point where we can say we are truly ready to go within.